working on is how B cells, and those are one of the two major types of lymphocytes in the immune system, how they are programmed to make antibody. This is one of your major means of defending against infections, and our work is focusing on how the cells that make those antibodies control the genes that encode them. We're very excited about a whole region of control elements within that locus that can dictate how the genes are formed, how they change during an immune response, and how they become more and more highly efficient at binding to and eliminating pathogens. So that's what we're excited about right now.
I'm excited about two big projects I'm working on. One is a collaboration with the Core Constraint Computation Center. Those people are in Ireland, so we do a lot of our work on the phone, but we also communicate electronically, and we go back and forth between the two countries. I was lured into this by Gene Freuder, who's the head of that group. He's interested in solving constrained problems. I'm interested in solving problems, and since we both think that our view on the world is the answer to everything, we're matched made in heaven.
Right now, we have several research projects. The one that's newest and I think we're really excited about is looking at how viruses make proteins. When a virus infects a host cell, it shuts off the normal host cell protein synthesis, so the protein doesn't make its own proteins. But somehow the virus takes over this whole machinery and makes its own viral proteins. So we have a couple of projects. One is working with a plant virus, which is a model system for many other viruses, such as HIV, which is of course a virus. Hepatitis is another one we're interested in looking at. That's really exciting. We're doing some really interesting work.
Right now, I'm trying to kick off a project that compares Chinatown with Washington Heights. There are two communities in New York City, and I'm looking at how people look for jobs in those two communities. In Chinatown, after 9/11, a lot of people lost jobs, especially garment workers, and now the people down there have been trying to figure out how to look for a job instead of relying on their friends and family. And in Washington Heights, I figured out that a lot of people work outside of the community, and I'm trying to figure out with them if they still rely on friends and family, or if they go to employment agencies or other, let's say, organizations or institutions to help them find jobs.